Hey everyone, if you're trying to gain a healthy weight or just need a quick energizing breakfast, you're in for a treat today. I'm sharing a simple, delicious milkshake recipe that's packed with nutrients and naturally sweet, my go-to dates banana milkshake. This is not just any ordinary shake. It's loaded with wholesome ingredients that'll give you a boost of energy, help with weight gain, and honestly, it tastes amazing. Plus, you can whip it up in less than a minute. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk ingredients. Grab 2 ripe bananas. Bananas are full of potassium, vitamin C, and vitamin B6. They're great for your heart, digestion, and even your mood. Next, I'm using 5 to 6 pitted dates. Dates are a powerhouse rich in potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6, and vitamin K. They give you quick energy, help your bones and heart, and keep your digestion in check. Now, pour in about 2 cups of milk. Milk brings in calcium, protein, and vitamin D, all of which are crucial for strong bones and muscle growth. If you're lactose intolerant, you can totally swap it for any nut milk you like. Here's the best part: no added sugar. The natural sweetness from the dates and bananas makes this shake taste like dessert, but it's all healthy. Alright, let's put it together. Toss your bananas, dates, and milk into a blender. If you want it extra creamy, add a handful of soaked nuts. Almonds or cashews work perfectly. Blend it all up until it's smooth and frothy. That's it. Pour it into a glass, maybe throw on a sprinkle of chopped nuts for a little crunch, and enjoy. This shake is perfect for breakfast, a midday snack, or right after a workout. If you're looking to add healthy weight, having this regularly will definitely help. It's protein-rich, energizing, and keeps you full for hours. And because it's all natural, you're skipping those artificial flavors and sugars. Give this dates banana milkshake a try. I promise you'll love it. It's healthy, tasty, and so quick to make. Let me know in the comments if you have your own twist or if you tried it. So next time you've got ripe bananas and a few dates lying around, you know what to do. Give this milkshake a try and let me know how it turns out in the comments. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy, tasty recipes. See you next time.